You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free.
Happy birthday, Tito Chris. God bless you and have a great day.
Happy birthday, Tito Chris. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Chris.
Happy birthday, Tito Chris.
We wish you good health,
Happiness, and many more blessings. Enjoy your
party.
God bless.
God bless.
Shot pag-away, Tito Chris.
Happy 70th birthday, Tito Chris! We thank God for your life and being the blessing to our family. Thank you for all your kindness, generosity, your wisdom, and all the memories that we shared together. May the Lord continue to bless you good health, peace, and joy in all the years ahead. Happy birthday! We love you so much, and cheers to more many healthy and happy years to come. We love you!
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati, Lolo. Maligayang bati, happy birthday, Lolo. I love you. I love you. You are so handsome. Papa.
Enjoy your day!
Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello, paring Chris.
Hi, Chris. Magmula sa pinakamataas, sumunod, pangatlo.
Pinakabata.
Pinakabata,
Oo.
Kita mo naman yung mga mukha niyan, may pagbabago ba? May nahalata ka ba kung nagbago? Kaya kailangan hindi ka rin magbabago.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday. Nami-miss ka namin. Kailan ba kami pupunta dyan? Kailan mo kami i-blow out? Yun ang hihintayin namin, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Pards.
Huwag mong ipahalata na 85 ka na. Kailangan kunyari mga 60, 65. Ito si Ate Carol, anong tingin mo dito? Di ba? Hindi niya sinasabi 89 na siya. Hindi siya. Hindi siya 89, 69 pala. Ay, Chris, sige na. Blowout. Yung blowout mo, hihintayin namin, ha? Hindi mahalaga yung mahalaga ang happy birthday plus blowout. So, maghihintay kami nun, ha?
Sige. Happy birthday,
God bless. More birthdays to come.
Ingat lang. Ingat. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Congrats on 70 years of your life. God bless you.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo. We miss you. I hope we can see you again. I love you. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. May more birthdays to come. We miss you and I hope you enjoy your special day. God bless you and I love you, Lolo.
What time is it, Jeremy? Happy birthday, Lolo. I miss you and I hope to see you again because when I was young, I forgot what happened in the Philippines. And then, what you love. God bless and happy birthday again.
Sab, you say what you say to me. Happy birthday, Lolo. God bless you. I love you. Okay, Lolo.
Happy birthday to